Haikou. Hey, yeah. Haikou. Oh, yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything. Little bit of everything. Everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City bound. Meander here and meander there. Meander everywhere, here and there. Haikou everywhere. With clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City bound.
So we're in Haikou, and I'm going to try to find this temple right here, Temple of Great Lady Xian. And according to this, it should be directly down this way. So we're going to go down these arcade streets, and then we're going to try to find it down this way. I think it's going to be right here. I think it's going to be in red. So it looks like it's fairly close, but you'll get an idea of some of these arcades and Haikou in the process as well. Okay, Haikou. So let's put this up on the map so you can see the area that we're at. And just letting you know, there's some music that's going to come up in a second as well. And this is a series of 17 of Haikou and Hainan Island. So these are right in this neighborhood that you saw already. And let's just get right into it. Walk and talk time. Haikou, China. Let's see what it looks like as if you were there yourself. Okay. So we are going to meander through. That looks like a pretty cool building right there too. And we're gonna go find our temple. And I think our temple is this red one. And in the process, we get to show you some of the arcades of Haikou, as we have one coming up straight ahead. Let me just kind of make sure things are interesting for you. Clothing shops in here. More clothing shops. Somebody doing a sewing machine one this time. There's another sewing machine one right here too. And then there's also these little commemorative things. And I think that that's the temple over there. But my main goal really is just to give you an idea of some of the streets of Haikou and what's all around. But that must be the temple. Some cool streets though. So Haikou is known for all these arcades that I guess there's some of them go back to like 600 years. But this temple looks like it goes back even further. But the arcade's 600 years. This goes back to the year 512 and 602. And I don't know if I can bring a temple in camera in here or not. I think maybe I won't, but this is where it would be at. But I don't feel 100% comfortable to film in here because I don't know exactly. But there is a turtle right here. Red dye. So let's fade back out. Let me just see if we can find. So I think. So this is the same as that. So they're the same thing at the front. So let's just kind of fade back a little bit. Walk this way. So I think that's the tempo that we were looking for. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you more of the streets. So and I'm just trying to give you some idea of what Haikou looks like a little bit anyways. And I think I'm going to try to go into these little alleys. Yeah, that's alleys look perfect. More than anything, I just want to show Haikou and just kind of show what it looks like. Some beautiful balconies. Okay, we're going to go towards into the alleys. My favorite part. Yeah, Haikou has some really cool looking little alleys everywhere. And they have community names, and when you go back into them you can feel the community because there's a lot of small little houses and homes and streets, and people will actually hang out as well outside. So let's check out what this one's all about. Oops. You can actually see, if I took the camera to the side a little bit, you can actually see that one's closed. A lot of the doors are open, but they have these metal gates, so it'll be actually airflow. This is public bathroom. Okay. So I was down there earlier. It's very busy. Check out that apartment. They have like this nice little airflow space. They're playing games down there. It looks like they're playing like inside that. I see that. Oh man, look at that. That looks crazy. So let me just see. I think what we're gonna do. Man, this wiring is just crazy. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna we'll go down this way. I was thinking of going down those little alleys, but I think I'm gonna go down this way because I know there's gonna be a lot of people down this way. And my goal here is just to give you an idea of what some of these alleys look like. But yeah, there's a lot of life in them, in lots of shops too. So there's a whole economy in here. I just walked by another group of people playing. I don't know if they're playing mahjong. I didn't see. Guys honking the horn. So what we're gonna do is just walk all the way through. Around the middle. Parked right there. Here's a little fish market. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way through and just kind of give you an idea of Haikou. Some garlic and peanuts and ginseng and fruits, sugarcane even over there. So there's another temple way over there, which I did film earlier. But we're gonna keep on walking down this kind of busy street. I think this street is like a fashion street. Big deep restaurant there, goes in quite... Yeah, Haikou is amazing little city. So much commerce, and actually it's for all the activity and people everywhere, it's surprisingly clean outside of that plastic bottle right there. But for the most part, they really keep it clean. I think this street right here is a little bit of a fashion street. Okay. Okay, so the street is quite narrow but very interesting because check out how little space there's actually the sky. I can see the sky up there, but it's I think I was reading about it and they were talking about how you could like shake hands with a neighbor up there, and now I can see what they mean. I didn't think it was little, I thought it was like figurative. This street looks really cool though. And the lighting is on too, so yeah, right there you can see all the way up. You check out these wires too. Dang. These wires are crazy. Yeah, Haikou is a great place to film though. Wow. Yeah, it's a great place to film. China's a great place to film. Like, you just can't really... Like, some of the best places in the world to film are Chinatowns, like in every city. They're always the most interesting. But China itself is like endlessly interesting. Yeah, this one I kind of filmed with different stuff, so I think I might try to film it by itself and label it accordingly. It'll have a different feel because I'll label it, have a different focus to it. Yeah, the back streets of Haikou is amazing. So yeah, this is like a little bit of a fashion street here. Go all the way down to the end. And then once we get down to the end, we're gonna try to see where we are exactly. So let me just kind of see. So now we're kind of in this, oh, there's a lemonade stand right there. So right at the base of our street, and I think that's kind of a fashion street right there. So yeah, we're kind of in these little busy alleys. I'll definitely come by and film this one again later because this one is but let me just kind of navigate a little bit. Yeah, this whole street is great. Check out the windows of this one. Okay, go with duck. So we're gonna come out to a main street here in a moment. The lighting is like fantastic right now too. So we're kind of in this tourist area. I think Zhongshan is near here, the clock tower. So the clock tower is right over that way. I think this is, so I guess they kind of call this Zhongshan Street, Daishengsha community. So I don't know what Daishengsha Street is. But anyways, we were in these little alleys. And I think that our temple was directly down that way. I think we started down that way. So let's go towards that a little bit just to give you some context to everything. So way down there is a red building. It's like way down there. It'd be like about a 3 or 4 minute walk. So I'm not gonna walk all the way down there. But we basically started at that red building, which is a temple. And we went into the alleys and we kind of came around. We went through that fashion street and we came out over there. So that's kind of what we did. So let's end it here.
Everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.